Welcome back. Last time we covered why 300 ml adhesives are the industry standard, but now let's talk about how to use them efficiently. The key to that? The quick valve connector system. This setup consists of two main parts, the 300 ml adhesive cartridge and the quick valve connector. The cartridge holds the adhesive, while the connector ensures easy, smooth, and consistent flow. What makes this system so effective is its ease of use. Instead of dealing with complicated fittings, all you have to do is twist and lock the cartridge into place. No tools, no extra sealing required. It's that simple. Another major advantage? Superior sealing performance. Air leakage can cause the adhesive to cure inside the cartridge, leading to waste and inconsistent dispensing. But with this quick valve connector system, that's no longer a problem. The flow path is optimized, making sure every drop of adhesive is used efficiently. And because the design shortens the flow distance, the entire process is more precise and controlled. Now, depending on the adhesive type and production setup, the connection method might vary slightly. But in most automated production lines, this system is widely used in XYZ robotic dispensers and 6-axis robotic arms. It speeds up cartridge changeovers, reduces downtime, and ensures a steady, repeatable adhesive application, perfect for high-precision industrial processes. Now that we've got the basics covered, how do we install this system into a pneumatic dispensing setup? That's exactly what we're going to explore next.